What's up guys, today we are looking at the Joie Signature Infiniti push chair or stroller. So let's have a look at the front of the box. So we got this, or Pram, or Buggy, or whatever you call it, because UK and US use different English. Okay, so we got it in Oyster. It has the big giant wheels, strong frame, and it doesn't have a straight color, so there's a bit of grey, brown, off grey, dark grey as well. So here you can see it folded. Just have a quick look at the box. This is the hood, the back rest, I guess that's adjustable, and that's the front position there. And it just has quick dimensions here: 109.5 in height, 61 width, and the depth is 85. And some of the features are puncture-proof tires. There's no air in these tires. Flex comfort seat, so it's fully reclinable, and it is featherweight. I have yet picking up this box. It feels like 15 kg, but we will see. Some promotional material, happy baby, and I just want you to get a close-up of this. So it is compatible with a bassinet, and I believe that is the iSnug. And the two positions, you can have it front facing or rear facing. And the color is Oyster, and just some terms and conditions. Let's open this up. This is all sealed. Okay, quick look in the box. This is just rubbish. Oh. Okay, I'm going to drop this down so I can slide it out. Oh, everything is in this plastic. I'll just get rid of the box. It's not heavier than I thought, unless there's something extra here. Styrofoam. This is the backrest. That's the Joie logo. Looks like a leaf. Okay, big wheels at the back. These are not open, but these are the adapters for the bassinet or the baby carrier. The smaller front wheels. Okay, I just need to cut this. Two. Three. Rubbish. Four. Okay. Oh, cup holder. Leave that plastic away. Oh, I know what this is. This is the rain cover. Rain cover. Okay, so the book, manual, the bum bag that goes on the bottom carrier. There's something in there. Check that out later. Okay, so how do you open it? There's a locking mechanism here to keep that front arm posted. There we go. So you can just lift it and it will flick. The design actually latches on to a little knob here. It's quite nice. I think the Versatrax doesn't have that. Oh yeah, I have no wheels. Will I put the wheels on? Okay, hang on. Don't want to damage the hood. This is the hood that will clip on here. I won't add that on yet. Let me quickly attach the wheels. These tires are quite nice, solid. The rubbish later. So there's a pin connection for the wheels. Okay, so I'll do the back wheel first. I saw it like online. I think it's just the oh right, you have to match. There are like two flat surfaces that pop out. You just have to match it there. Pops in. It's not going anywhere. Let's do the same to the other side. Spin it. See? Pop it in. Let's do the front. The styrofoam. Oh, this one you have to pop in this, so it just goes up. This part that has to connect into here. There's a hole for it, like so. Kind of weird. I'll figure this out later. Right now it's rear facing. Okay, more instructions here. There's a switch. Oh, that's not good. Is it locked in? Let's check. These locked. Yeah, they're locked in. So to unlock them, you put that anti-clockwise to lock them clockwise. And they're not going anywhere. Oh, they are going somewhere. That's really weird.
Try again.
Does it click?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's locked.
I think so. I want to break it. I'm just gonna let this.
I have to hear the click.
Hang on a sec. So this was anti-clockwise. Should read the instructions.
That should pop out.
What should pop up?
This thing. When it's clicked in, I think it will pop out.
Okay.
So it's not clicked in properly.
So, press this button. Hang on a sec. Yeah, I know what you mean. If this.
So see, this one is out.
Yeah.
And you can't click it. I think just I have to push it harder, no? Is it locked?
Yeah, it's locked.
See?
So I guess
when it's locked, you can't push this, but you can. See, this one I can. Oh, I can.
Oh, click. Did you hear the click? So now it's locked, and then this basically locks the wheel straight. I don't know why you need to go straight the whole time. Automatic mode. Okay, so I've seen people. Oh, for that was very easy. You basically just these two latches, just hold them up. Let's change the position here. That's very handy. All right, so I'll show you what this extendable.
Push it over there.
Oh, okay.
Because I can't get the whole lot of things.
Okay, so this is the adjustable handlebar. Very good. All right, and just to show you that this fully reclines, and you go up to 90 degrees, I think. And then if you want to close it, you press both buttons. Is that it?
Mm.
And then you just pull this, and it collapses. It's supposed to stand, no? I thought this was supposed to go down more. Is that good enough? It's pretty heavy. So the weight on the website says 11.2 kgs. Feels pretty heavy. The Versatrax was like 13 kilos. Like, this is heavy enough. I thought this would be quite light, but it's pretty heavy. I like to weigh this and see. Actually, I just want to check out the brake. Oh yeah, I just want to do this. There's also a brake. It locks this back wheel. Press it up, unlocks it like so. If you come close, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a wire here. I'd like to know what that's about. Is that something to do with the suspension? Yeah, I think this one is the one with suspension. And the material definitely feels stronger. It's not as flimsy. Going over a bump or whatever. Yeah, but looks very good. What do you think of the car? Oh, this is the bum bag. There was something inside. An extra strap. Okay, so you can use this as a shoulder strap. Do you know? So if you have all your baby stuff, and when you're not using it, you can just clip it here, like so. Well, it will get dirty if you go through mud and stuff. We'll install this. I'll install this later, but this is the backrest here. Cup holder goes here. I'll show you this cup holder here. It's not that secure, is there? Ah, sorry. Cup holder only goes here. There's this, yeah, just you hear clip. That's not going anywhere. And then we have this hood, which would go over here. I've seen people install it. It's kind of finicky, but it has a good range. Very good range. This is with fully extended. So if you put it in fully recline mode, this is just for demonstration purposes. Covers quite a bit. Okay, we'll just leave it at there. It's just unboxing and first look at the Joie signature Infiniti pushchair. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. $13.1 kilos.